Hello everyone, my name is Sander Mak and welcome to my course What's New in Java 13. I'm Director of Technology at Picnic, an online grocery scale-up in the Netherlands, and author of the O'Reilly book Java 9 Modularity. Java is moving fast these days. Since Java 9 was released in September 2017, a new major release emerges every 6 months. Java 13 is already the second Java release in 2019 and packs several API enhancements and JVM changes that make Java even better. The most striking addition in Java 13 is a feature called text blocks. Using text blocks, handling multi-line strings in Java source code becomes a breeze. It's still a preview feature though, and we'll discuss what this means as well. Other topics that we're going to cover are API updates in Java 13. Amongst other things, the string API has been extended to support the text block feature. We'll also look at the dynamic application class data sharing feature, or AppCDS, which can provide improved JVM startup time and reduced memory footprint. And we'll look at other platform changes, where these internal changes can affect the way your existing code runs on Java 13 and later. Through this course you'll get an overview of all the important changes that are part of Java 13. This course assumes you have experience in writing applications using earlier versions of Java. After finishing this course, you should feel comfortable using Java 13 in your day-to-day Java development work. I hope you'll join me on this journey to get up to speed with the latest and greatest developments in Java with the What's New in Java 13 course, here at Pluralsight.